When we hear Fitbit, our minds instantly think of fitness tracking, but it looks like Google's throwing that name out of the window soon. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech place. As per sources, Google's reportedly planning to rename Fitbit services to Google Health. The report suggests that now Google Health Premium appears in some international Google Store listings when buying a Pixel Watch or a Fitbit device. Even the App Store listings have been updated to Google Health Premium branding. Right now, if you subscribe for deeper insights and the AI personal health coach, you're essentially paying for Fitbit Premium. But it looks like Google's rebranding this entirely to Google Health Premium instead. And it's not just about name. A new Google Health logo has also surfaced. It's now a brushstroke style heart with Google's signature colors and gradient glow, giving it a more unified Google look. Interestingly, Google reverted the name to Fitbit Premium after the report surfaced. But considering the Google Health branding showing up in some regions, it does feel like the shift's already in motion. This doesn't mean Fitbit as a brand is going away, as Google's upcoming screenless tracker will still carry the Fitbit name, likely as Fitbit Air. So it seems Google may keep Fitbit for hardware, while it'll move services and subscriptions under the Google Health umbrella. It's left to see how it'll play out, but right now it's a bit confusing. Rebranding the subscription while keeping the Fitbit name for hardware could create confusion, and fans would rather want Google to simplify things and bring everything under one clear brand. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.